Keystrokes for Dental Practice Analysis Reports was originally designed in response to important questions asked when reviewing a dental practice. Whether you are a broker appraising a practice, a doctor doing due diligence, or an administrator monitoring the statistics, this video will help you gain the valuable information you need. We have produced the video in 4 versions, customizing it for either Dentrix, EagleSoft, Open Dental, or SoftDent. In them, I will teach you step by step how to find answers to questions such as, how many active patients are in the practice? What is the annual production, collections, and write-offs? What is the accounts receivable and aging totals? These questions and many others are covered. Because you will want to run some of the reports on a periodic basis, we have listed the locations of each question on the video for easy reference. Also, the video is available for your use for up to a year.